case. I am Aparna here. IntelliMindz Training Institute brings exciting news. Celebrate this Pongal with exclusive discounts until January 20th. Dive into transformative courses, gain in-depth knowledge and save big. Don't miss this chance to level up your tech skill. First things first. Let's take a quick look at the technologies IntelliMindz has in store for you. Tally. The accounting software is a must for anyone in the finance game. Python and Java are the backbone of programming, offering versatility and power. Selenium, the automation testing tool, ensure the quality and efficiency of your software. And if you are into the world of cloud computing, you can't go wrong with DevOps, Azure, and AWS. The trinity of cloud excellence. Imagine gaining in-depth knowledge in your chosen technology while saving a big. It's win-win, I know, right? So what are you waiting for? Act fast to secure your spot in these game-changing courses. Happy Pongal, happy learning, subscribe for more. Bye.